What's going on, guys? Steve Laret here with the Steve Laret Real Estate team at Vanguard Realty Alliance. I want to talk to you today about the physics of real estate. We all agree that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. So let's talk about the energy and how we propel sale prices in real estate. So if you have a finite amount of energy, we'll call it that much energy, right? You have a finite amount of energy around a listing, okay? This is the list price, and this is the sale price. Now, how can we take what's over here and impact what's over here? I'm going to show you. If you were to take energy from this side, in other words, drop this down, boom, let's drop that list price. Because remember, guys, everybody gets hung up on the list price as if it has anything to do with your ultimate yield. Your list price is just your greatest advertising tool. And if you understand how to manipulate that, you're going to get the most out of the market. So let me show you how we set records. If you drop this list price down, you've cut into this energy. The pressure that's created drives the sale price way up. Way up. And that's how you achieve better than market results. So if you understand that if you take this and drop it down, it must show up over here. If you just do a little drop, right, you just get a little bump. Because the market says, nah, this is the amount of energy that we have for your listing. How do you manipulate that? You manipulate the sale price, and that's how you achieve better than market results. For more tips, guys, please tune into my YouTube channel, like and subscribe. It's Steve Laret Realtor at YouTube. And as always, you can find me here. Cheers. I'll talk to you soon.